Welcome back everyone. So in this tutorial we'll learn about a glide your letter. So if I want my letter to move from left to right or from top to bottom, then how I can do it, how I can achieve this, we will learn this today in this tutorial. So the very first step is I'll just rename it as glide, and now what I'll do is I'll just cross this sprite so that I'll have a clean backdrop. Just go to the backdrop option and choose any of the backdrop of your choice. Here I'm choosing something from outdoors, and you can find out anything which you love for your. Okay, so I'm selecting this scene as a night city. Now I have to choose a sprite. Of course we are working on this here. I'll choose letter G. You can have this. Yeah, so I can put it at this location. So when I move this letter, you can see the following things here. This x coordinate and y coordinates are responsible are changing if I just moving this from one location to another. So you have to see if you want to glide your letter from left to right like this. You can do it with the help of this x coordinates and y coordinates. So the first thing in the code is you need to go to the event, and when the sprite is clicked. So what I want to do is when my sprite is clicked, I want to scroll it. I want to glide it from left position to the right position. So this is my correct position, and now I want the motion option. I want my sprite should move from left to right. So you can see that on the second options which are available here, you have glide 1 second to random position or glide this to a position. Now there are some x and y coordinates. If I just select this letter and put it anywhere else, you can see the coordinates are changing. So wherever you want your letter to be placed initially, you have to put it here and you get some coordinates. So just glide this. I'm just having this here like this. Fine. Now what I want the end position. So my end position is something here. So my new coordinates are, you can see this, 188 and 120. So what I want to do is I want this to be placed here. And now what I want is I want this to be placed again here. So for this I'll duplicate this and I'll put this here. You can see if you just click over it, it will glide from left to right and then it comes back from right to left position. I want to repeat this many times. So if you go to the control option, you are having few options. If you want to repeat it for n number of times, let us suppose for 4, 5, 10, 20, 30, 40, then you can use this loop. What you have to do is you have to put this inside this, select this and put it here, and here you have to give the number. So let us suppose if I want this to scroll or glide for 3 times, just select this, 1, 2 and 3. So it will glide for 3 times. So this is how you can have this sprite. Fine. And if you want to move it from a position here to from bottom to up, then for this you have to change your x coordinates. You have to make it a static coordinate for x and you have to change your y coordinates. So if I want the position from left to right, I have changed the x coordinates from 198 to 188. The y coordinates are same, but if I want to do it from up to bottom, then I have to change the x coordinate. I have to make x coordinates as static. There should be no change, and I have to change in the y coordinates. So the coding will be same. You have to change this position. If I put it here, okay, what I have to do is I'll just remove this like this, and now if I put it here, it's -2 -123. So this is a center position where I got these coordinates. You can have these coordinates like this. So for at x position, I want it as 1, and for y position it should be -130. So this is the thing. The next thing I want to do is I want to take it to the top. Find here. So what you have to do is put it here, and now you have to go to this position. So the x coordinate is 0. I have to make it 1. Okay, here. And the y coordinate is 130. So you can have these coordinates. Here I want it as 6, and this position is 133. Okay, and I'll just delete this. So I'll put this here, this, I'll just duplicate it. Fine, put it here behind this, and I'll just put it here. And if I just select this sprite, it will move like this for 3 times. So you can see that you can make your text to float in the left to right position, or you can move your text from up to down position. That's too for number of times you want to repeat it. Another loop which I want to discuss is you can have a forever loop in place of repeat loop. So if I just delete this, and if I just put this here, and I'll just delete it, when I click here, it will move for n number of times. There will be a loop for forever. So if you want to give an effect where your word is moving all the time, it will not stop, then you have to use this forever loop. So in this particular session, I have told you about the glide feature. Then we have used repeat and forever loop. So you get a clear picture how to use a repeat or forever for n number of times. Thank you so much for watching this tutorial. Stay tuned.